Hey everybody, it is currently, it's currently 8:26, and I am just sneaking outside for a sec. I'm just, running out for a sec, and, just checking out what's happening. So, comment down below what state you think I live in. I'll tell you in the next video what state I live in. Now, it's very chilly out here, but I'll show you a view of what's happening right now. Just, casual stuff. And, okay, I'm gonna ring the doorbell on my parents. I'm gonna run back in my backyard. So here goes. Tap number 1. Okay, I just rang the doorbell. So let's see. I'm going over there to check what they're doing. Okay, go ready, guys. Guys, I think they answered. I'll go again. Attempt number 2. Go, guys. Okay, here we go. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna be super quiet, so shh. Don't tell anybody. I could do this to anybody, but right now I'm just gonna do it to my parents. Let's see. They're still not freaking answering. Attempt number 3. 3 attempts to get my own parents to open the door when I was ringing. They won't do it, they won't. Okay. Why aren't they checking? They should be checking right now. God, I just heard something. Okay. Let's see. Currently, I am barefoot now. As you can see, barefoot. Okay. Goose, shut up. Okay. Let's see. I took over freaking 4 attempts. Here comes my 4th. Bam, now I should get out of here. See, you should be checking out here right now. Like, what if there's a robber and they don't know? Well, I'm gonna see. Okay, look. I'm gonna go inside, and I am going to prank my parents. So good. So freaking good. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna say, hear that person at the door. I'm gonna prank them into me coming out here, ringing the doorbell, and they're gonna actually answer. So, here goes attempt number 1.
Heard you ringing the doorbell.
Huh?
Heard you ringing the doorbell. Don't step on the child.
Why were you doing that?
That wasn't me! That wasn't me. Dang it, they do! So freaking mad. Well, hope you like this video. Bye, guys.